Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to DOOGEE S95 Pro. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Send on Xiaomi and Receive on DOOGEE. Now you can click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got It in the pop-up. Over here we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on DOOGEE, selecting Allow and pointing camera at the code, but we can also input this key and choose Receive. Then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always access Files app, select Browse in the middle, click on In My Case Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!